Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 50 Water Drive in Pittsford.
This is a picture-perfect brick-front ranch updated to perfection.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This is one-floor living at its best. This home warmly greets you with a spacious living and dining room with beautiful hardwood floors and scenic nature views.
Enjoy exceptional open living with this spacious eat-in kitchen. With beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Open to the family room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace and mantel. And a cathedral ceiling sunroom with a wall of windows. All with an adjacent first floor laundry and a partially finished lower level with a cedar closet.
This ranch home also features 3 spacious bedrooms, all with hardwood floors, and 2 updated bathrooms, including this beautiful loaner suite with scenic backyard views. Enjoy relaxing in your fully fenced private and quiet backyard with beautiful landscaping plus a patio and garden shed. This home is located close to everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 50 Water Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!